How to disable download option in YouTube videos. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application YouTube Studio. Enter login credential as in your email address and the password, and make sure that you are logged into your specific account and the channel. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to content at the bottom of the screen. Now from here, head over to any of the content that you want to disable the download option. Let me head over to this video for now. Once you're in here, now what you want to do is click on this pen icon at the top of the screen. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but head over to more options at the bottom. It will lead you to this page. In this page, in order to disable the download option, all you want to do is turn off this option, allow embedding. Once you have turned off this option, the download option will be disabled successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can disable download option on YouTube. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.